we have seen about the COUNTIF function. In this video we will be looking at the COUNTIFs function. There are multiple criteria which we can give in a given data point and understand the result for and count the number of points that has arrived in the given data set. So let's start how to use it. In the last video I have shown you about the COUNTIF function and its syntax. The same syntax is there for COUNTIFs, only change is here that you have to give multiple criteria and multiple data points. So let's see how that works. Type in equal to COUNTIFs COUNTIFs, then open bracket, then the criteria range. First of all, my criteria range, I am taking the state is my criteria range. Then my criteria will be this MA, then comma, then it is asking you for the second criteria range. My second criteria range is position. What is the position of the people working there? So this is criteria 2, position. Now criteria range is given. Now criteria, what is the criteria? I want to know what are the production technician present in MA. MA means my state. Now I just close this bracket and enter. You will find I am getting the output as 134. Let's try it with one more time with another point. Like let's say COUNTIFs, then open bracket, then the criteria range. I am giving the criteria range as my states. Then the criteria will be TX. Now I will select the criteria range for these people out there, and now I will select that it should be a production technician 1 only, then enter, then close bracket, enter. I'm getting 0. There is no person in the Texas which is having a production technician 1 as a person in the Texas. That is the reason it is giving you output as 0. The same thing we can apply for 3 criteria, 4 criteria, 5 criteria. According to our needs, we can actually input this number of criteria in the COUNTIFs function also. COUNTIF function and COUNTIFs function are useful function while you want to understand about a given data set. The data sets are having a lot of points in the data sets. When we work with the data analysis points, when we work with the algorithms, there are a lot of data sets in that, and we have to find out how many data points are there, how to then we can decide on what kind of algorithms we have to use, what kind of things we have to use. That is also one of the part of this functions things. So I hope you understand about the COUNTIF and COUNTIFs function. See you into the next video. Thank you.